What's going on? It's your boy C Trail, and today I'm here to give you a video about InVideo AI. Okay, this AI is a video creation app that, with simple prompts, you'll be able to create videos without editing anything, without typing anything. The artificial intelligence will create the video itself for you using prompts. All right. But before we get into the video, all I ask for you to do is like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you think the video is helpful, all right? Quick update on me before we get into the video. I still am attending Southern Crescent Technical College. College is going great. I'm passing my classes with A's. It's pretty simple to me, pretty informative, and I'm just going to continue to do good and continue to strive so I can graduate with my cybersecurity diploma. All right. Now, without further ado, let's get into ai.nvideo.io. Let's go. Here we go. I'm about to give you a video regarding AI in video. All right. So let me go ahead and make my box small and go ahead and get into this for y'all. So what you're gonna do, you can go to Google, go to your open up your web browser. I'm using Chrome. I already know the URL, so it's gonna be ai.nvideo.io. So that's gonna be ai.nvideo.io. All right. All right, welcome to InVideo AI. Let's go through the home page for you before continuing, okay? Idea to YouTube video, idea to social ad video, idea to slideshow video. With InVideo AI, you can turn any content or idea into video instantly, all right? So now that we see this, what we're going to do is what you're going to do is go to join with Google, okay? Use your Google account to just automatically sign in and sign up for InVideo AI. That way you don't have to create a new password or new email or anything like that. What I'm going to do is go to sign up. Actually, my bad, I apologize. Log in. Join with Google. Go ahead and use my account that I normally use. All right. So now here is the home screen, the workspace. All right, let me go to that for you. So we're going to go to home. All right, this is the home, okay? This is my history of videos that I previously created. This is the exports of the videos that I created. All right, and here is where you're going to create your AI video. All right. So what you're going to do once you get to this screen is go to create AI video. All right. Let me move this out the way. All right. So usually what I do is I do YouTube explainer videos. So I'm going to click on that at the bottom. Okay. So then here is the prompts and everything that you have to fill out in order for AI to generate you a video. Okay. So you're going to do create hit this drop down. One second. All right. So I'm going to back up. Create AI video. Give me a topic and detailed instructions, okay? So what I'm going to do is create me an AI video detailing how the stock market, crypt, cryptocurrency, and forex can help you become profitable in 2024. All right. So this is my prompt. What you're going to do now is generate a video. It's analyzing. Now it's thinking. All right. Let it think. Now it's preparing. It developed you a title. Excuse me. Now it's preparing. Now, I will let you know after the AI creates you a video, you still can yourself go into the AI and edit things like the subtitle, the title, you know what I mean, the length, etc., etc. We're going to see that here in a minute. Just give it some time. All right. So now the next step is to choose your audience. So they give you the choice between investors, financial enthusiasts, or beginners in trading. I'm going to do beginners in trading. Look and feel, I want it to feel professional, and the platform I'm using is YouTube. All right. So if you see this edit prompt video, you can click, button, you can click that. But I'm going to go to continue and let it do its thing. Now, if you would have hit the edit prompt video, the edit prompt button, you could choose the length, the if it has subtitles, you can choose the voice to use, whether male or female, and a whole bunch of other things, okay? Because I've been using this for a while now, it already knows my settings that I use on a normal basis. But I encourage you to click the edit button so that you can see what you can do with this platform, okay? Take your time, have fun. You know what I mean? There is no wrong answer or wrong way to do anything. This is solely for you and your video creation. So now it's generating the script, it's planning video scenes, it's getting my stock footages. Now it's analyzing, synthesizing the voice, and doing everything that it needs to do. The AI is doing it itself. All right. We're going to come back and we're going to see what the results are in a while when it's done. All right. So I'll be back here soon. You can see it's currently previewing me a 480p video that it created. Okay. Now, let's say if you can see it's a 2-minute video. Let's say I want to change things. So I'm going to click on edit right here. So here's the script. Here is some stock photos that you can change. Let me move this. So this is scene 1. You can go over scene 2 and you can see everything that it's doing for you. You can edit the chapter and the media, okay? You can upload media as far as the background and stuff like that. All right? And you'll have a media library right here. All right, but we're going to exit that out. So if you want to, right here, give me a command to edit the video. You can say make it longer, have a female voice, etc., etc. But for now, and of the purpose of this video, we're gonna do export and export video. All right. Now, if you upgrade to the upgraded version, you can have no watermarks, you can have no branding, and you can export the video resolution to 4K. Because I have the free version, I'm going to keep the stock watermarks, I'm going to keep this normal, and leave it at 1080p. Then you hit continue. Now it's going to export the video so that I can be able to share it on YouTube, alright? So I will be back after it's done rendering and exporting, and we're gonna look at the video it created, and then that will be that. All right. Video is exported. It is exported for me to download and to put on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, any social media platform that I would like. But what we're gonna do now is take a look at the AI video that was created. Okay, we're gonna take a look at it together. All right.
Have you ever wondered how the stock market, cryptocurrency, and Forex can help you become profitable in 2024? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into these three investment channels to understand their potential and how they can lead to profitability. So, first off, let's talk about the stock market. This is a place where shares of publicly held companies are issued and traded. It's a fascinating world where fortunes can be made and lost in the blink of an eye. But how does it work? Well, the idea is simple. You buy shares in a company, and if the company does well, so do you. Your shares increase in value, and you can sell them for a profit. But remember, the opposite is all.
All right, like I said, I go by C Trail. I just showed you AI.nvideo.io where you can use AI to create you videos that you don't really have to edit that much, and it does it for you, okay? Like I told you guys, you can change the voice, add subtitles, change the background, all right? And much more. Have fun with this platform. There is a free version and a paid version. Depending on your needs, I will stick with the free version. Unless you don't like watermarks and stuff like that, then go ahead and upgrade. All right. Thank you for watching. I go by C Trail. Leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.